Hey, good afternoon, everybody. We're going to go over our Forex trades for today, Friday, September 19th, one day after the election in Scotland, which they rejected. So Scotland remains part of the UK. As you know from following us, we were not going to touch anything pound-based. If you look at the charts of the pound, heading into the actual results of the announcement of the results of the election, the pound was rallying, and then once the results came out, it fell back down. So it's sort of like it was a perfect buy the rumor, sell the news scenario. But we weren't going to get involved in that stuff. Really no economic news to speak of this morning. We did have two trades that came in, got hit yesterday. And then by last evening, prior to shutting the computers down, we were out of both positions, and we'll go over them. So we had two trades. We pulled out 16.1 pips. We made 20.2 pips on one and lost 4.1 on the other. We'll go over them here. The first one you're looking at here is euro to Australian dollar. We were long this 1.43951. That was the average price as we pieced in. We got out. We pieced in by thirds. We got out of the second third, and we got out of 2/3 of it. Each of the thirds with about 20 pip losses, which is equivalent to, let's call it 6.7 pips thereabouts. And then the last third, which was actually the original piece that we bought, we made 28.1 pips on, equivalent, since it's only a third, of losing 4.1 pips of a full entire position. All 3/3 obviously make up the full position. So net result, we lost 4.1 pips on that trade. Unfortunately, you can see here what it did. After we got in, it was messing around, consolidated. We had our stops in for 2/3 of it. The first piece, you're going to risk a lot more, and then it finally took off. So ultimately, we were right. We just got out too early on it. Australian dollar, Japanese yen was just a good trade. Same thing, pieced in. We were along this all 97.662. Again, we're going to risk 20, 25, maybe 30 pips on 2/3 of the position. It never went against us more than about 11 or 12 pips. And you can see here just a slow grind up. We had our offers in to make somewhere right around 20 pips. As you can see there, we sold 97.864, picked up 20.2 pips. We just happened to be pretty close to the top. I mean, it did run up a little bit over 90, ran to about 91 or so. We left a few pips on the table, but again, we're getting out. We're going to be back in cash because we're not going to be at the computer. So it's like, let's just take it and run. So we took the two trades, pulled out 16.1 pips. So not a bad way to end the week. Back in the cash for the weekend. Let's see, any signals come out, they'll be coming your way. If you're trading now, good luck. We're not going to hold anything over the weekend because you could get, they could gap them on Sunday evening one way or the other, so you could be gapped up in your favor or gapped against you. So that's it. We're going to wrap it up. Like I said, if you're trading now, good luck. Any signals comes out, they'll be coming your way, and we'll be back Monday, assuming we get some action. Have a great weekend.